Hi guys, my name is Anurag Singh and today I am going to discuss about how we can speak in English fluently. So the first and the foremost rule of speaking in English is that you must speak in English. This is the must or should advice you can take from me. Whatever you know, you just start speaking. You know 5 words, you just keep saying 5 words whole day, to keep repeating so that you know how to pronounce that word. By doing this, your mouth, your mind will become habitual of speaking in English, and your tongue will also habitual of speaking in English. So by this way, when you keep practicing English, and then after 30 days you will realize that yes, I am speaking in English. And this is the thing that most of the people do not understand, that what they do is they join the course of spoken English and they do not then practice it. You have to speak because it is compulsory for your tongue to become habitual of that. When your tongue become habitual of that, you start speaking in English. And when people do not practice it daily, on a daily basis, then what they do, they start stammering. So my advice is to you is that speak as much as you can in English, so that after a few days, when you see the result that what I am before 1 month and what I am after 1 month, there will be 100% difference in that. Thank you.